Okay peeps, so here's a short video on how to remove surface rust from any metal that you might have using simple household items that you should have at home already. Now what we're going to be removing rust from is this old e-brake lever that I have to restore and replace in a project that we're doing. And the household items you're going to need, simple items. You're going to need some good old vinegar, an old toothbrush, and a scouring pad. I don't have a scouring pad by itself, but this works. It scours. Okay peeps, in today's vid, we're going to show you how to remove surface rust from metal using regular household items that you have laying around. In today's vid, we're going to be removing the surface rust from this e-brake that I have to reinstall in Project Pulsar. It has a little surface rust on it. I had tried a little cleaning before, but I didn't really get into it because I wanted to save the cleaning for the vid. All right, so for this project, we're going to need the #1 product is some good old white vinegar. And we're going to use a plastic bag for this one as well. And of course, you know, you have your toothbrush and your scouring pad. All right, so first things first, I'm going to utilize this little bucket just for stabilization. And we're going to take our e-brake, we're going to put it in the bag, just like this, just to make sure all the metal parts are in the bag. Going to rest it like this. Make sure that it's secure. Yeah, it can be secure. Just checking the fitment. Fitment is good. All right. Open our vinegar. Don't mind the gloves. You don't really need the gloves. I just had on the gloves, so we're shooting the video with the gloves. No biggie. So add a little vinegar to the bottle, to the bag. All right, and now we're going to make sure that the vinegar comes in contact. Everything here, yeah, all the metal. We're going to make sure we have good vinegar to metal contact. Yeah, good vinegar to metal contact. I actually want to lay this flat. I should use another bucket or something. Pause. So here we've changed the container. We've gone with a bigger container. So we have the lower half soaking. When we're done, we're going to turn it like this. We're going to lean it and make sure all the surfaces get covered and soaked with the vinegar. So we're going to leave this here for a while. Leave it to sit and do its magic. We'll be right back. Okay, so we've had it soaking for about 15-20 minutes. And of course, already you can see the color of the vinegar has already changed to rust. And this is just a indicator to show that it is already working. And we're going to use our trusty toothbrush and just rub along. And you can see already it is coming off. This is pretty easy. And this is just using household items that you have laying around. Look at that. Look at the difference. That's night and day difference. This is just your regular cane vinegar, a toothbrush, 20 minutes, and some elbow grease. Of course, you can see it's already coming off. Look at that. See? A little elbow grease, a little homemade science. Got you looking all brand new again, just about. Of course, there are sections where the rust has eaten right through. As I said, this only really gets rid of surface rust. but it does a pretty amazing job of doing it. Here, look at the switch. Look at the switch already. The switch looks brand new. Look at that. Brand new switch. I'm gonna finish cleaning this up and show you the finished product in a minute.
Look at the color of the water. Yeah, man, dirty water. Rusty water. Okay, this works.
And here we have it, peeps, how to remove rust surface rust from metal in just about 20 minutes using household items. Our e-brake cable looks a little more presentable now. I'll give it a final cleanup, and just to make sure you don't get rusty again, I advise you to just spray some WD-40 or some lubricant on it just to make sure it stays, you know, make sure it stays lubricated and prevents the rust from coming back. All right. Here it is, peeps, the final product. Rust removal using household items. Remember to like, subscribe, click the notification bell so you'll be notified when we give you new uploads. And hey, tell a friend to tell a friend.